We have Ghostek case lineup for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the case lineup from Ghostek for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Big shout out to them for sending these out for review. All these cases you can get in the links below on Amazon and their website. Starting off with their Nautical case here. This case will run you $49.98. All these cases have a extra 10% off if you want to go ahead and pick them up right now. But this is an IP68 waterproof standard case. It's rated for 20 feet deep in water up to an hour. The Samsung, it's already waterproof, but if you want additional waterproof, like if you're in the ocean, you don't want to put your device in the ocean or anything like that, make sure you pick up this Nautical case here 3 for the Samsung Galaxy S21. Up to 20 feet in water. Let's go ahead and look what we have back here. Extreme proof protection, multi-layer, non-slip hexagon grip. We do have a raised camera lip, but the phone itself is fully sealed because it is waterproof. It is watertight port sealed. There you go. And it's slim, precise fit to fit your phone. Lifetime limited warranty, as you can see. Bam. Let's see what's inside the case here. This is a two-piece case. It comes with a lanyard, so in case you are swimming, say you go to Hawaii or somewhere, this right here you want to install in your case so you don't lose your phone while you're swimming with the sea turtles or anything like that. Inside the phone, inside the case, we do have a Ghostek sticker, installation guide, and we do have these, I believe these are port stickers here to cover. Oh, for the fingerprint sensor, actually. It's for the fingerprint sensor right there. So let's go ahead and give you a quick look on how this is going to look on your device. Let's remove this plastic film here. Now you do have a very shiny back, as you can see, and then it says please make sure there is no screen protector on your phone before installing this case. So you're not gonna be able to rock a tempered glass screen protector or one of these screen protectors here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one. This one worked pretty good. This one was from Rinky, but it's one of those just regular film screen protectors. It's nothing special, so let's go ahead and remove that. My phone has decided to update, so let's grab the case itself, and this is gonna line up like this. Snap it in place. I believe we have to remove that. So let's remove first the sensitive part for your screen protector. And do you have a protective film here on top? You do. And then you have to remove the film here on top. So this has a built-in screen protector. Let's go ahead and place the Galaxy S21 inside the case like that. Now so it does work, but I think I have to reprogram it. But let's put this case in here. So you basically snap the back in like this. Just kind of snaps in place. Creates this super watertight seal for your Galaxy. Look at that. Even if you don't want this for going in pools or swimming in the ocean, you can use this as protection. This thing is absolutely crazy. The touch sensitivity with the built-in screen protector, it's all right. There's nothing to it, as you can see. But this is not something you're gonna want to use all the time. This is you're gonna when you're gonna go on vacation in Hawaii and you're gonna go and swim with the dolphins, swim with the sea turtles, you're gonna put this case on, and then you're probably gonna take it off and use another case when you're done. But if you want to use it 24/7, you most definitely can. The fingerprint sensor there, it works, but we have to it worked on me. There it goes. So you kind of got to get it to adhere to the screen. So that portion gets adhered to the screen, and it works. There you go. You see it. You just got to press it really hard. As you can tell, it works. No issues there. But it is 100% fully covered, watertight seal. You do have this slit here if you want to go ahead. I don't even know which way this... Oh, I guess you pull back on it, or I don't even know if this lifts up here, but I don't think so. So this is fully sealed, covered. You're not gonna charge it when you're swimming or anything like that. Or oh, it does. So as you get down, it's just super tight. So if you want to leave it all the time and charge it, you can, but I don't know if... Let's grab this Nomad here. Oh, and it absolutely works. There's plenty of room, as you can see, to charge your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra if you need to charge it. There's plenty of room there, but this port absolutely covers that charging port really good to prevent any water from getting into the device. This is actually wireless charging too, so if it is going to be wireless charging compatible, it is. As you can see, it wireless charges with no problem. Now this case is $49.98 and it's very, very rugged. The buttons are nice and tactile, very responsive, no issues with the buttons whatsoever. On the left side of the phone, nothing. You do have this added grip, very grippy. So because you're going to be in the water, you want a very grippy phone, as well as this shiny back. This lanyard, I do recommend this to tie this in right here, because if you're swimming underwater, you don't want to lose your phone, and in case it slips out of your hand, you got it strapped to your wrist. But this is the Nautical 3 case for your Samsung Galaxy S21. $49.98. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Now, taking this off, oh, there it goes. You do have a slip here that you can kind of pry open, and then the case just peels back, and then you can release your phone by just going like this. Bam, and voila. Very cool case, actually. I'm gonna want to test this out in my pool and see how well it works, but it's rated up to 20 feet deep in the water, and my pool's not 20 feet, so I'm sure it's gonna work. Moving on to the next case here. This one is actually pretty good. Nautical case from Ghostek, the Atomic Slim. Now this case here is awesome. It's $39.98. It does have a aluminum metal bumper frame. It's a two-piece case. It is rubber TPU, and then you have a hard plastic shell there, and with that aluminum bumper frame to keep your phone protected. You do have this protective film that you're gonna want to remove. Now these cases are available in different colors. Just make sure you hit the link there so you can see what other colors are available. This one right here is the pink, and this is not a two-piece case. You can just go ahead and slide this bad boy in like that, and voila, look at that. Looks absolutely amazing. Fully protected. You got plenty of room there protecting that camera lens right there. Boom, look at that. It's well on the front. Look at, even though it is a edge display, you got plenty of protection around the whole display there. So you are protected if you lay your phone flat down on a flat surface. That screen is not going to be scratched, and if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface, the glass camera lens is not going to get scratched either. Now there's this wirelessly charged through the case, and Voila, it wirelessly charges through the case with no problems there. The cutouts are nice and precise. As you can see, plenty of room there for a third-party charging cable if you want to go ahead and plug in. All the cutouts are nice. On the top, the mics are nice and precise. The buttons are 100% fully covered and nice and responsive. No issues there. As you can hear, they're very nice and clicky. Very satisfying feeling when you're pressing on the volume rocker or the power button. On the left side of the phone, there's absolutely nothing. Very good feeling phone case. It does add some bulk to your Galaxy S21, but it does give you that protection needed. $39.98 you can get it. This is their pink color, but they do have other colors available, like all kinds of good colors. The prices seem to stick the same to the $39.98 with that 10% off. So this is your Atomic Slim 4 case for the S21. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is the Exec 4. This one is going to run you $29.98. Now this is a wallet style case. Nothing wrong with that. A lot of people don't like to carry a wallet and a phone, so they go for these type of cases. Or if you're out in Vegas and you know you're going to go to the club, you don't want to take all your credentials with you, just take an ID and a credit card. Right here, bam. Now this has a 4-card detachable wallet. It is 2-time military drop tested. On the back, we do have a multi-attachment system, so I believe you can do all kinds of stuff with it. Multi-layered raised camera lip. They all have a raised camera lip, so those cameras are going to be protected on your S21. It's compatible for a magnetic mount, wireless charging compatible as well, and it has a non-slip grip. As usual, all Ghostek packaging is amazing and very premium. Let's check out this awesome case here. And with all these cases, you'll get a limited lifetime warranty, a sticker, and all kinds of good stuff in them. But this case looks pretty cool. Now, they say it's detachable. Is it magnetically detachable? Oh, this slides. Oh, nice. That is pretty dope. So this is the case right there without the wallet attachment. This color is, I believe, what color is this? Let me check. The Phantom Gray. This is the Phantom Gray color, and you do have this leather-like texture here behind the wallet portion of it, but feels very good. Let's go ahead and nice. Look, you get plenty of lip protection all around that front beautiful display of the S21 Ultra. The cutouts on the bottom, nice and precise. Plenty of room there for a third-party charging cable. The buttons are 100% covered, nice and tactile. You can hear those clicks. Very responsive, very satisfying feeling. The mics on the top also nice and precise. Nothing on the left side of the phone, but this added grip here, texturized on the bottom edges of the phone case. You can hold it, feels good in hand. You have lip protection all around that camera lens, so you are protected if you lay your phone on the back on a flat surface. No issues there. Even if you lay your phone on the front, on the face down on a flat surface, no issues there, because that front facing lip protection there for your screen is absolutely amazing on this case here. It looks absolutely gorgeous. This case actually looks really nice. Now let's look at the Exec portion of it. Is this the Exec phone there? And it looks absolutely amazing. So does this go this way? No, it goes the other way. So you do have like a sliding mechanism there that you kind of slide it over and it kind of clips in place, bam, and then you lift up and slide out. This is absolutely tight, dude. This is cool. So it slides in like this and then back. They say you can wirelessly charge, but I think you have to remove the wallet to wirelessly charge, because you're gonna, yeah. So pull the wallet out, bam, and then wirelessly charges. As you can see, no issues there. Now this is a, I don't know if this is a wireless magnetic charging mount, but it works as a, it says it works with a magnetic mount. I don't have a magnetic mount in hand, so we can't not test that right now. But this is absolutely cool right here. This little wallet, it holds up to 4 cards. As you can see, it's expandable. You do have an elastic band there, so you can expand this up to 4 cards. Very nice and snugged, and this just clips in like that, and bam, look at that. Release it, charge it, put this in your pocket or put it back on your phone, and bam, look at this case. This case is going to run you $29.98 with Prime shipping. It is going to offer you that same 10% off if you go ahead and click the link below. Looks very good, man. I absolutely love this. Comes in 3 colors: Phantom Black, Phantom Gray, and Phantom Pink for you ladies out there. It does have Ghostek branding there, and then the Exec branding on the wallet portion of the case. But I haven't seen a case like this, and I am absolutely surprised with this case, and I hope they make this case for the Pixel 5a, because I absolutely like this. It's actually cool. So there you have it, guys. This is the Ghostek executive. So if you're an executive of the company, you most definitely want this. All these cases are tempered glass screen protector friendly, so you're not going to have an issue there. Very snug, very kind of hard to take off, which is no problem. That's what you want. Let's go ahead and put this back in this packaging, and now we've reached the last one. This is the most affordable one you can get for your Galaxy S21 from Ghostek. This is their Covert 5 there. It's available in multiple colors. It's $14.98 with Prime shipping, also 10% off. You can go ahead and put this bad boy on. It's a soft TPU all the way around. They do state that it won't go yellow, HD clear there on the back. It has reactive buttons, diamond grip pattern, raised camera lip, detail cutouts, slim precise fit, limited lifetime warranty. It is drop tested up to 8 feet, and it does have R2X impact technology. You do have these color accent bumpers there on each color. That's what Ghostek likes. You do have Ghostek branding there, and you do have a Covert. I seen this one doesn't say Covert on it, does it? I know one of them did. It does not have Covert branding, but looking at the bottom of the phone, you do have plenty of room for a third-party charging cable. All the cutouts are nice and precise. The bottom and the top, the mics and the buttons are 100% covered and nice and tactile, very responsive. No issues with the buttons, no issues with the case interfering with the responsiveness of the buttons itself. Looking on the front of the phone, you do have plenty of lip protection there around that beautiful front facing screen of your Galaxy S21 Ultra, so you are protected if you lay your phone flat on a flat surface. No issues there. On the back, you have the same protection around that camera lens, so you're protected if you lay your phone down on a flat surface. Those camera lenses, it's not gonna be scratch, because you do have that beautiful lip protection there, as you can see there. The diamond pattern on the back feels good, feels nice in hand, does not add too much bulk to your Galaxy S21 Ultra. Looks nice. Also available, like I said, in different colors: Phantom Smoke, Phantom Pink, that looks more like a red, and this one's your Phantom Clear, which has that clear accent bumpers on each of the corners of the device. So that is your Ghostek case lineup for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. You do have the Covert 5 for $14.98. You have the Exec 4 for $29.98. I actually like the Exec 4. It surprised me. And you have the Atomic Slim for $39.98, and the Underwater Turtle Exploring case here, the Nautical 3 for $49.98. All of these cases have a 10% off right now. Link to all these cases will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and check them out. But they absolutely look amazing. Can't go wrong with any of these cases. Big shout out to Ghostek for sending out these cases for review. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding any of these cases, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.